Hello mga mi, this is Mommy RB at today sasagutin natin yung isang question dito. This is about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Once again, marami na po akong na-share na information about Saudi Arabia's family visit visa. If you are interested, you can head over to my YouTube channel. And if you are about to book any activities or hotels anywhere around the globe, make sure to use Klook and use my promo code MommyRBKlook para mas makamura ka. So tara, sagutin natin tong question na to. Ma'am, gusto ko po mag-family visit sa Saudi. Kaso dati po akong hurog sa Saudi. Pwede po ba ako makapunta dyan sa asawa ko po mag-family visit sa akin? Sana po masagot. Actually, I'll be honest with you, I'm not familiar with this term and hindi ko nga alam kung tama ba yung pagkabanggit ko. Pero I did a research, but this is someone na hindi nakapag-finish ng contract at na-report nga po sa kanilang labor department. So the thing is, please don't quote me on this, no? Kasi this is everything that I will share here right now about this term nga is depends on what I was able to research. So to answer your question, the clear answer is no. Hindi daw po pwedeng mag-enter sa Saudi Arabia anyone who was tagged as hurog o yung mga nag-run away from employer kasi nga daw yun yung kanilang policy. So kahit family visit visa ay hindi rin po pwedeng mag-enter sa Saudi Arabia. So parang na-banned na po totally yung mga may ganitong status. So hopefully this can change in the future kasi sayang naman yung opportunity na makapag-visit ulit tayo sa Saudi and to enjoy the country kasi marami naman talaga siyang kayang i-offer sa mga gustong pumunta sa kanila as a tourist or yun nga yung naka-family visit visa. So sa mga currently na may employer sa Saudi Arabia, let's take care of our status kung gusto natin makabalik sa Saudi. Because we will never know, diba, kung gusto natin mag-visit ulit sa place na yon, kasi we will never know if we still want to go there or not. So might as well na lang, naingatan na lang natin yung ating mga status. Anyway, hindi naman natin masisisi kasi merong mga certain reason kung bakit nagkakaganito or nag-run away kasi malay mo nakaranas ng hindi maganda. Pero yun nga, they are already banned daw sa Saudi Arabia. So, for more information, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung screenshot. Ito yung nabasa ko about this status. So I hope I was able to answer your question and I hope this clarifies your concern. And sa mga meron pang question dyan na hindi ko nasasagot, pasensya na. I'm trying my best to allot time answering each of your question. Pero kung hindi ko pa man nasasagot, you can visit my YouTube channel kasi baka na-discuss ko na doon. Plus, meron tayo ditong FAQ video na pin-repair para sa inyo. Yun lang mga mi. Thank you for watching.